Yo! 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 Dude, we almost lost the rod on that one.
New one too.
What's up, guys? We're back on the river, catfishing again. We are in a new spot, different from the old one. There's more space over here, so our shit's not so tangled up. We got about 7 rods in the water. Hopefully we do a little bit better than last time. We got all 5 of us here. We got Cullen, me, Ben, Marshall, Greg. We're all dumb chilling. We got the fire ripping. We got the rods in the water, shrimp on. So we're gonna get set up and be right back. Dude,
that felt so good.
Yo, 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 yo!
It's probably small.
What we got, dude? What we got? What we got?
Looking like oh, just a little itty bitty fellow.
Nice, dude. That's, it's one.
That's one though.
Uno. They're hitting harder than they were last time.
What's up? Let me touch your belly.
He took it and ran.
Yeah, he tried running.
Yeah, dude.
Oh. He got me with that Susky water. Yeah, for real, we both gonna have herpes now.
Nice, dude.
Dang, huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's tight.
Okay. Later, Stinky.
Number one.
Number one.
Dude, these shrimp do stink though.
Garlic?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all over your hands, see it doesn't come off. It's super awesome.
We got the catfish rig, the weight, the snell on it, the garlic covered shrimp. We got the 30-pound braid on though.
There you go. Oh,
Yo! 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 Dude, we almost lost the rod on that one.
Yeah, you did. That's the new one too. Take her easy, take her easy. Dude, he actually had to chase it. That was crazy.
Dude, this could be a PB.
Well, he's swimming over there now. My heart is racing.
I don't even think it feels that heavy, dude. I don't think it's no more than a pound. Wait. Yeah, that one. Easy. Relax. Yeah, I mean, that ain't bad. That was
we'll
a
see what that
fighter.
is. We'll see what that is, dude.
Fighting to the very end. Where's my lip grippers? Dude, my heart is. I thought I was losing that rod.
Dude,
you see how fast it was going out there?
You boogied to get that thing.
I mean, I had to go like out there.
Yeah.
Like 15 feet.
That junk was in the water. Was that on the garlic shrimp or the regular shrimp?
Dude, that was no, regular. That was regular shrimp.
Any guesses, anybody?
It's probably only like 4 pounds.
I would say 4.3.
You see this fat girl.
What do we got?
What did I say? Like 4?
Dude, I said 4.3. No way. Run the tape on that. Any guesses, anybody?
It's probably only like 4 pounds.
I would say 4.3.
4.3.
Very nice. Here.
Put her in a drink.
All right, catfish number 2 gone.
Oh, dude, he don't need no water. He's good. Maybe.
Dude.
Yeah, he good.
How you feel about that one?
He stopped moving.
Cool.
Dude, that was crazy.
Give me skin,
That
bro.
one was-
Give me skin. You got 2 tonight so far.
Let's go. That one was a fighter. An absolute fighter.
Man, hard over height, dude.
That was
Hard
the
over height.
Muhammad Ali of catfish. It literally, it was trying to take that rod to the next state.
It's a bold statement.
Dude, it almost did.
Yeah. Oh, there you go.
Marshall, you want me to check the minnow trap for you? See if we got a minnow you can put on?
Dude, that'd be cool.
Come on, Tony. Come look at the minnow trap.
Okay.
Greg, what you got going on over here, dude?
Got my minnow trap.
Minnow trap. What we got in there?
Nothing. This river's dead, dude.
Hopefully we'll get something.
I hope so. That was the plan, but
Get some live bait.
it ain't working out.
Well, hey. Some things take time.
We'll keep trying.
Oh.
There she goes again.
Oh my. Dude, it's tugging. It's the same one.
Think so.
I don't know. Maybe. Where's it go?
Dude.
I think it's just a fighter again. Ooh.
Dude, that's got y'all on it. Good thing I got that 30-pound braid on.
Dude,
say what you want about me buying another rod for no good reason, but it catches all the fish.
Yeah, you almost lost it about 20 minutes ago.
Found 4.5. No, I don't know. I have no idea. It's probably the same fish.
Dude, what the?
What up, girl?
Yo.
Hey.
Don't hit the barrel roll, though. Dude, with the mutated truck nuts on it, too.
Ooh. Break dance, break it down, dude. Let's go. Alright, I didn't bring my stuff again.
Somebody go get the fire.
It was just too exciting. Noises though.
Dude, he's barking.
I gave it like 4.6.
No, it's 5.2.
Be alright.
4.3.
It ain't super big, we don't need a whale. I mean, we can try.
People at home want to know how much this one weighs.
Squeaking.
He's barking.
It's squirting.
He's just squeaking and stuff.
Dude.
I think it's a frog, actually. He's gassy. You had a big dinner meal. What you got? 313.
I win.
Another one though.
Dude, that's number 3 for
Number
you.
3.
Bye, Mr. Fish.
Thanks for playing.
Greg, how you feel about number 3 of the night?
Dude, if I could catch one, that'd be great.
That would be great, wouldn't it? This is always how it goes, though. One person catches them all.
Yeah.
It's always Marshall has the sweet spot.
Greg had the sweet spots before.
Yeah, the first 2 I had the sweet spot.
Yeah.
That's
That was a
Marshall.
good fight. I really enjoyed that.
I always got the rod
You give me some.
Appreciate it.
Give me some. Hey.
All day.
That'd be cool. I look so cool.
Why do you have that on you?
Dude, hell yeah.
I was picking up a rod.
Why do you have that on you?
Hell yeah.
Dude, are you f***ing serious? This can go.
Hey, give me the duck call. Or do you
guys,
have another goose call?
I got 2 of them.
Oh, give me the goose
This
call.
one sucks though.
Yeah, I don't know how to do it. That's all I know how to do.
You sound
How do
like
you do
a
it?
clown at a birthday party.
Dude, they like it. They like it. Keep going.
It's called meat lightning.
Should we do a shrimp check?
Yeah.
Holy Greg, you throwing the rocks in there. You son of a whore.
It finally happened.
Oh yeah, Colin's full of shit. Damn. Dude, that could have killed one of us. Jesus.
Yeah, that actually could have really damaged somebody.
Fucking hilarious, bro. I don't know what you're talking about.
Now throw another one in. Throw a bigger one in.
Alright, well thank you guys for watching. This will probably be our last catfishing video for a while. I don't know, they're not hitting really that much. So I mean, we're definitely back catfishing. I know you guys like it, we like it, but we just need a little bit of break. Next up, dove season starts soon. We should be getting, kicking into hunting season. So just stay tuned for that. And thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.